Hey YouTube, Airsoft Masterizer here. I'm making another video right now about I just got done taking apart my M16, so I'd have more parts. If the gun's not broken, I guess the battery worn out or something. But anyway, I have this leftover motor. It has all the pieces. It has the wire still. I'm making this video today on, I want to know what I just should do with this. I don't want to throw it away because I think I could still use it somehow. So, if you have any ideas what I could do with it or anything, pretty fast motor, really fast. If there's any other ideas you guys have that I could do with this, just leave comments, subscribe, all that, and help me out because I don't want to throw this away. Airsoft Masterizer, signing out.